Welcome! In today's guide, we're going to go through the exact steps you need to follow to enable app icon badges for calls on Messenger. If you've ever missed a call because you didn't see a notification count on the app, this quick setup will solve that problem and make sure you stay on top of your calls. First, open the settings on your phone. This is where you'll control most of the notification features for any of your apps. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a full list of the applications installed on your device. From here, scroll through until you find Messenger, and then tap on it to open its specific settings. Once you're inside Messenger's settings menu, look for the option that says Notifications. This is the area that lets you manage exactly how Messenger communicates with you. Tap on Notifications to move to the next step. Now, within the Notifications menu, you'll notice an option called Notification Categories. This feature allows you to customize what types of messages, alerts, or reminders from Messenger you actually want to see. Go ahead and tap on Notification Categories. Here, you'll notice different categories like messages and calls. To make sure your missed calls are highlighted on your home screen, select the one labeled Calls. The final step is simple but very important. Within the Calls category, you'll see the option to turn on app icon badges. Toggle that switch on. Once enabled, your Messenger app icon will now display a little badge whenever you have a missed call, making it impossible to overlook. With this adjusted setting, you'll always know when someone tried to reach you, even if you missed the initial notification banner or sound. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in staying connected and organized. And that's it. You've successfully enabled app icon badges for calls in Messenger. Thanks for watching.